Why would anyone ever want to use a laxative on their hair or their skin? Well, you're about to find out, because castor oil has stood the test of time. The Egyptians used it, the Greeks used it, the Romans used it, the Chinese used it. If it didn't work, it wouldn't be around this long. So there's a very special compound in castor oil called retinoic acid. And the combination of different properties that this compound has is the perfect combination remedy for a lot of issues with your skin, your hair, especially as it relates to the common problems that people have. Dry skin, brittle hair, dry hair, hair loss. And so this compound has an anti-inflammatory effect, antimicrobial effect. It's a powerful antioxidant. It's an excellent moisturizer. So anything dry or dehydrated, it will revive. And not just on your face, on different parts of the body, like your heels, if you have cracked heels, on your scalp, especially if you have dandruff, or anywhere on your body. It can also be used on stretch marks or any scars. In that case, you would want to rub it into the area. It has a good amount of vitamin E, which is also good to break down scar tissue. And so you can kind of look at castor oil as a natural conditioner for your skin and hair. It penetrates those tissues and it helps to increase circulation, especially if you're using it on your hair. It goes into the follicles where the roots are.